4-story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and a good deal. Features also include traction control, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.